Cult Unbound Championship sets a new benchmark for India's fitness community. Bringing together 5,000 plus people from all walks of life, the debut event blended movement, connection, and collective spirit. Bangalore, 12th April 2025. Cult Unbound, in its inaugural edition, transformed KT Whitefield into a vibrant hub of athleticism, determination, and celebration. Bringing together over thousands of athletes from across the country, the championship provided a platform for participants to challenge their limits while fostering a strong sense of community and mutual support. Athletes competed across 8 functional workout zones, with formats designed to include all genders, age groups, and fitness levels, creating space for everyone from first-time challengers to seasoned pros. In a single day, participants completed over 50,000 repetitions, moved more than 10,000 kilograms of fitness equipment through pushing, pulling, and lifting, and covered approximately 1,400 kilometers of running and rowing, demonstrating exceptional physical and mental endurance throughout the event. Adding another layer to the experience, the event included the Leaders Circuit, where CXOs and senior leaders from some of India's leading companies took on a specially curated version of the challenge. While the format was tailored in intensity, it upheld the spirit of the main competition and reflected a strong commitment to fitness, resilience, and community within India's corporate leadership. Speaking on the occasion, Naresh Krishnaswamy, CEO CureFit Healthcare Pvt. Limited, said, "At Cult, we've always believed that fitness goes beyond reps and routines. It's a deeper journey grounded in community, resilience, and personal transformation. With Cult Unbound, we set out to create more than a competitive platform. We aim to spark a movement that celebrates collective progress and the power of shared effort." Witnessing thousands of individuals challenge their limits and support one another was a powerful affirmation that when we move together, we move further. Cult Unbound is a testament to the power of community and shared commitment. It's inspiring to see how people from diverse backgrounds came together to challenge themselves, support each other, and celebrate the true spirit of fitness, said Santosh Kumar, CPO, Cult. Alongside the championship, the event featured a range of community-driven experiences, including workshops, wellness activations, and group sessions that kept the energy high throughout the day. From hula hooping and capoeira to yoga, poi spinning, and dance fitness, these activities brought participants and spectators together, further strengthening the sense of connection and shared celebration that define the spirit of Cult Unbound. These diverse fitness activities also reinforced the cult philosophy of engaging in functional fitness for everyday enthusiasts. Prizes and giveaways worth 10 lakhs rupees, including a 6 lakhs rupee cash prize pool, were distributed among the top performers. Winners across categories including Thiruvan, Imlianga, and Rajat Somanna for men's singles, and Yashaswini, Roshika, and Sugandha. Cult Unbound. For women's singles were honored with trophies, leaderboard placements, and their share of the cash prize pool. Celebrity guests and fitness influencers joined the celebrations, applauding the champions and the unwavering spirit of every participant. Cult Unbound is not merely a championship, it serves as a reflection of the growing strength and unity of India's fitness community. With its thoughtfully curated blend of competition, celebration, and community engagement, the event left participants motivated and re-energized. For many, it represented a meaningful personal milestone, while for the larger fitness ecosystem, it established a new benchmark for what can be achieved through shared commitment, discipline, and purpose.
Stronger, faster, unstoppable. We've got Nicholson. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's run. Have fun, be safe. And there we go.
फिटनेस का क्या महत्व है और ऐसे प्रतियोगिताओं का क्या महत्व है जैसे जो फिटनेस इवेंट्स हैं?
सो आज मैं यहाँ पे कल्ट अनबाउंड इवेंट में आई हूँ, जहाँ पे देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट हु इज़ पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दिस इवेंट एंड मुझे इन लोग को देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज इन लोग की वजह से इंडिया में फ़िटनेस इन्फ्लुएंस होगा और आई गेस जितना ऐसे इवेंट्स अगर हर सिटी में कंडक्ट होंगे कराया जाएगा तो उतना ही फिटनेस हमारे कंट्री में उस लोगों में एंकरेज होगा और लोग फिटनेस के प्रति encourage होंगे and I think such events should happen in every city of India so that everyone should follow a healthy lifestyle and fitness maintain करे because हम fit तो India fit.
Many youngsters
Just one more last question. आपका बॉक्सिंग का क्या प्लान है आगे का, कैसे आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं?
So currently I'm training in Pune ASI Army Sports of Institute में and वहाँ पे मैं अभी मेरी प्रिपरेशन वर्ल्ड चैम्पियनशिप की कर रही हूँ and I have a world championship in September which is in Liverpool, England. So I'm preparing for that. After the Paris Olympics, this will be my first competition and I'm really looking forward to it and hopefully वहाँ पे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे के इंडिया के लिए मेडल जीत के मैं इंडिया का नाम रोशन करूँ. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.